Hey folks, I finally got in a 2026 Coachmen Catalina 261 BHS. It is Coachmen's #1 selling bunk model for 2025. So I have a 26 here. Price has not gone up, but what we did gain was an auto level system, and it's so slick. You just push the button, walk away, and it auto levels all by itself. Let's show you that first. It's pretty slick. So there's the controller, you turn it on, you push auto level, boom, done. And right there and in the back are the stabilizers for it. Also, we're going to fill these 2 propane tanks for you, put a brand new battery right there. Nice big Group 27 interstate battery. It also has these nice LED lights that will light up that front cap. Pretty slick. It's heated enclosed underbelly. And not only just enclosed, but it also is spray foamed around the edges, so it's a nice seal. Then when you go into the underneath storage here, it's just a magnet that sticks it up there. Pretty sweet. Here's the light switch for turning on those lights up front. It's a through storage. It goes through all the other way. And a 30 amp service. So there's your cord inside there. Nice big awning with colored LED lights, which is cool. You can flash them, change the colors. And then new this year also, Profile by GE on-demand tankless water heater. 60,000 BTUs. And you don't have to run it at 60,000. You could set your temperature down if you want your water to run at 130, 120, something less, so it doesn't scold the kids. There's the rest. That's an auto level system right there. We're going to pop open the outside kitchen and show you that. Again, just magnets up and it's going to stay there. Bottle opener, storage. This is for the spray port on the outside. Then you have, well, got to push these down, see if I can do it. I can't do it with one hand. All right, well, maybe. Got it. So you got a nice little griddle right here that pulls out. You can see how far out it comes. Well, I didn't have it on the holes. I'm going to line it up. There we go. Now we're all lined up. See how it slides right away there. And then you also have the outside mini fridge right there. Pretty slick. Walking around the back. Oh, you got a leash for the puppy. And then there's a door back here. You can go in and store stuff under the bunk bed. That's pretty slick. It is backup camera ready, and it is ladder ready. Right back here, you hook up for your power, satellite hookup, black tank flush, your city water's right there. We're gonna run through all that with you. Make sure that you're a pro before you leave here. Even the end caps on this are better than most. It's got the nice squeeze end caps. They're easier to operate, pull in and out. Look at that nice shiny door. We're going to go inside here. 5/8 tongue and groove stable deck is what they call it. It's sanded on both sides. Makes for a nice solid structure. This structure is bolted and screwed down, so it's not going anywhere. Let's start here in the bedroom. Queen bed. So walk around queen. You have a spot to get in the door on the other side too. Hanging storage on both sides. And then there's storage underneath the bed. You got these little guys that pull out. You could also lift up the bed and get to the storage that way. I can't do it with one hand. So USB and USB-Cs and regular plugins right there. We're going to take a quick look from here. Give you a nice shot of the living room. Right there, nice spot for the TV. If you bring me a TV and a 2-arm bracket, it'll swivel. I'll put it up for you and it'll swivel over so you can watch it from there or from the dinette. So right there is 4-person dinette. This makes into a bed, and you got storage underneath there. You see the knob, you can pull that down. There's storage underneath there. Storage under here. Swinging around to the kitchen, you got storage up there. There you go. And this is pocket screwed back here. It is super solid, and the reason why they could do that is because it's lumber core. I'm gonna go grab a piece and show you what lumber core is. All right, boom, magically appeared lumber core. So you can see it matches, but it's solid wood inside there. And that is how they can pocket screw it. It'll hold the screws better than just particle board. With particle board styles and cabinets, they can only be screwed, or sorry, they can only be stapled and glued. Nice huge sink. Look at that nice drop-in sink, high-rise faucet, more storage down there. Nice big 12-volt fridge. It's a good looking fridge too. I like these new stainless steel looking fridges. And it has a finish on here where it's so easy to clean, it doesn't leave those finger marks. Look at that nice big fridge. All these GE appliances, like I showed you, that water heater outside, GE, microwaves, GE, stove, GE profile. Also the air conditioner with heat pump, GE, 2-year warranty on GE products. And if something goes bad when they replace it, you get another 2 full years out of it. JBL audio, inside, outside. You got a nice big pantry right here. And surprise, washer, dryer, prep. That's pretty darn good on a 30-foot camper, I would say. Nice big double over double bunks. Super comfortable. It's got the nice teddy bear finish on there. Throw a sleeping bag on there. Boom, the kids are out cold. Foot flush toilet. Sink in the bathroom. Mirror. Nice shower surround there. It's really good looking. Easy to take care of. Got a couple shelves there for the shampoo and conditioner. Pretty sweet. This is a cool camper. You got heat in the floor. There's the floor ducts. Vinyl, not carpet. Right? I mean, about as good as you're going to get for the price that we're selling it for. I mean, you can get into this with 10% down at like $272 a month. Man, that's a good deal. Light switch is right there. Coming through the bedroom again. I wanted to lift this up and show you underneath the storage now that I figured out how to do it. Lots of storage right under there. So if you want a sweet camper with bunk beds at a great price with lots of features, come get it. Thanks for watching. Look at that big panoramic window. That is so cool.